In this video, I want to talk about how you can sell XRP from your eToro wallet. Now, your eToro wallet is a separate app that you need to download, and it's called eToro Money. So the eToro Money is the app, and that is your separate wallet. So make sure you go to the App Store and download eToro Money, just spelled eToro Money, just like this. Go and download this app. And once you're in there, you want to log into your eToro account. It's the same eToro account. And you should be able to see your crypto assets. So open up eToro Money, go to crypto and find your XRP, which you have bought from eToro. Then what you want to do is you just want to click on the sell button, enter how much you want to sell, then just confirm it. And once you've done that, you have now sold your XRP. Now, if you want to as well, you can close your order in here when trading, but the eToro Money is specifically designed for crypto. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.